You all know I love Disney, and I was just there a few weeks ago. I don't know when I'll be back. And Disneyland is celebrating their 70th anniversary, which I don't think I'll be able to get back to. I've only been there once. So what McDonald's has done is they have come up with a meal, a Happy Meal for kids. And inside are 2 of the toys of the 70 collectible toys that you can get. So collecting will take forever. I will not be getting all 70. But you do get 2 at a time. So join me on today's Disney Happy Meal adventure. Okay, I am back home, and we are going to check out mostly the toys for this Disney 70th anniversary celebration. So with the Happy Meal, it's just your regular Happy Meal for kids. So that means your choices are a cheeseburger, a hamburger, or a 10-piece McNugget. And of course, it comes with fries, your little baby fry, your little baby fry, and your main food, and I think apple slices. Yeah, so it comes with apple slices as well. And of course, the toy, which is what it's all about. Let's face it, we're all here for the toy. So look at this box. There's the Disneyland on the front, 70th anniversary, and check it out. Now at the end of this video, or right before my outro, I'm gonna put a snapshot that I found on Instagram of all the toys that you can see a little bit better. So I'll put those in, and then I'll come back for my outro. But I'll show you what the box has. So there are 70 of these to collect. I will not be collecting 70. That means I'd have to buy 45 Happy Meals. No, I am not buying that many Happy Meals. But to help you on your way, they're giving you 2 toys per box, which is great. And oh my gosh, there's so many characters. There's Star Wars characters. There's princesses. I mean, I see Frozen on here, Donald. I see Lion King. I see Monsters, Inc. I see Ariel, Cars, Incredibles, the whole Mermaid movie. That's why I was just kind of reading off of those. Also, oh yeah, there's Star Wars, the main characters, a little bit of everything. So, and they show you on each side. Yeah, that side just says, oh, you scan that to explore more. Probably pulling up the toys. I'll do that later. All right, but the moment of truth, which ones do I get? I really don't care, quite honestly. I wouldn't mind to get, I would really like to get actually some of the mermaid ones because my granddaughter loves Ariel. And so it'd be cool to get the fish. What the heck is it? Sebastian? Or Sebastian the lobster. And it would be cool to get Ariel. But I will take anything they give me, because I also like Star Wars, and that would go to my nephew. So here it's tissue paper wrapped. The unboxing. First one is, I don't know who that is. Who is that? I don't know what movie that is. This could be a Disney show. I know the Disney movies and the characters that walk around Disney. I'd have to look her up. I don't know who she is. I'm gonna have to come back and tell you who she is because I don't know who she is. She's cute. Some kind of camper maybe because she's got like a tree on her shirt. So it's made really well. It's a hard plastic. They're sturdy. They don't come up off of it. They're stuck on here pretty good. Yeah. So that's one of the Happy Meal characters. It's going to be interesting to see if you get 2 from the same set or if you get 2 completely random ones. Kind of hoping for random right now. Second one is a turtle. I don't know who he's from either. Apparently I'm behind on some of my Disney movies because he's not ringing a bell. I have to look him up too. I'll be back and let you know who these are because I'm not quite sure. He's cute though. A very sleepy turtle. All right. So in the meantime, I'm going to put up the photos that I found on Instagram of all 70 that you can collect that's a little better to see than the one on the box. I'll be back. This is a character called Giggle McDimples from Toy Story 4. I have not seen Toy Story 4, so that's why I didn't know who she was. So that is from Toy Story 4. And according to the list that I just looked up of all 70 characters, this I think is supposed to be Crush, although he looks very sleepy. There was another turtle that they had in an earlier movie from the 70s, but I'm thinking it may not be it, but it may be it because 70 years worth of toys. But I think this is supposed to be Crush, although I don't think it really looks like Crush. And it's supposed to say Disneyland's 70th anniversary on it, on the front. I'm not seeing that on mine. So that's kind of weird. Anyway, those are the two toys I got. Do I like the ones I got? Not really. But if you're a collector and you want to be patient and collect all 70 toys, they are there for the taking. And that is my review of the Disneyland 70th anniversary 70 toy McDonald's Happy Land meal. So until next time, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit subscribe and subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Watch all my back videos. It helps the algorithm and get me more watch time. And there's a link below for my Buy Me a Coffee to help support the channel. And that's it. I'll see you on my next adventure. Until next time.